Let's start weekly 100 MCQ series. It will be in batches of 25 questions. It is September 3rd week. Let's start. First question. Which department has issued a notification regarding the amendment of public procurement preference to Make in India Order 2017? Answer is Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, DPIIT. Next question is, who launched the FICCI SAM's knowledge report on India Japan time to seize new opportunities? Answer is Subramaniam Jaishankar. He is the External Affairs Minister. Third question, India along with which country plans to resume joint coordinated border patrol to prevent criminal activities? Its answer is Bangladesh. Fourth question, the Custom Administration of Rules of Origin under Trade Agreements Rules 2020 come into force from September 21st, 2020. Who is the chairman of CBIC, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs? Answer is M. Ajit Kumar. Fifth question, Goa government has signed MOU with Goa Institute of Management for vocational training of ITI trainers. Who is the Chief Minister of Goa? Answer is Pramod Sawant. Sixth question, which state government launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana scheme to provide interest-free loans to women's group? Its answer is Gujarat. Seventh question, Anil Dhasmana has been appointed as the new Chief of National Technical Research Organisation NTRO. Where is the headquarter of NTRO located? Its answer is New Delhi. Next question, who heads the 11-member Company Law Committee which was constituted by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs? Committee's term was extended for 1 year recently. Its answer is Rajesh Verma. Next question, under which section of Competition Act 2002 the Competition Commission of India CCI has approved acquisition of Nutrition and Bioscience by International Flavors and Fragrances Inc. Its answer is section 31(1). 10th question, which edition of annual meeting of Board of Governors of Asian Development Bank ADB held virtually on September 17-18, 2020? Nirmala Sitharaman represented India. Its answer is 53rd edition. Next question, who is the author of the group titled Forrest Gump? Its answer is Winston Groom. Next question, which International Institute of Information Technology IIIT has developed first of its kind helmet-like ventilation device Swasner? Its answer is IIT Bhubaneswar. Next question, the International Coastal Cleanup Day was observed every year on, it is celebrated on 19th September. Next question, Amitabh Ghosh was the dash governor of RBI. He was the 16th governor of RBI. Next question, which division of Southern Railway has launched the Freight Seva app? Its answer is Chennai division. Which edition of International Equal Pay Day was observed on September 18, 2020? It was first edition of International Equal Pay Day. The first ever direct cargo ferry vessel named MCP Linz was launched between India and which country? Its answer is Maldives. 18th question is, who laid the foundation stone for 9 highway projects worth rupees 14,528 crore in Bihar recently? Its answer is Narendra Modi. 19th question, how much was the amount extended by India to Maldives to combat COVID-19 in September 2020? Its answer is $250 million. Next question, name the company who has won the bid to construct a particular parliament building. Its answer is Tata Projects. 21st question, name the public sector bank which has initiated Mahila Atmanirbharshil Achani Women's Self-Reliance Program in Assam. Its answer is State Bank of India. Next question, India Konkan Railways has delivered 2 modern diesel electric multiple unit DMUC trains to which country in September 2020? Its answer is Nepal. Next question, according to the estimation of Finance Ministry, what will be the growth in nominal GDP of India in financial year 22? Its answer is 19%. SBI Life Insurance signed an bancassurance agreement with which bank recently? Its answer is Yes Bank. 25th question and last question. Name the company which partnered with iFund Women to launch a grant program in India to support women entrepreneurs. Its answer is Visa. Thanks for watching. If you really like this session, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.